सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें। आपका अपना मुंबई टाइम्स।
Registrar Mr. Abdul Hamid IPS to kindly read the citation for Anjuman Islam, Mumbai. I now request our Chief Guest, Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, Shri Satyapal Malik ji, to kindly read the statement of conferment for the Sir Syed National Excellence Award on Anjuman-e-Islam, Mumbai.
On behalf of the Aligarh Muslim University and the authority instituted in me by the Vice Chancellor, Professor Tariq Mansoor, I confer the Sir Syed Excellence National Award on Anjuman-e-Islam, Mumbai.
Thank you very much, sir, and many congratulations to the Anjuman-e-Islam, Mumbai. We can see that the President of the Anjuman-e-Islam, Mumbai, Dr. Z.I. Qazi has joined us with some members of his team. I now request Dr. Z.I. Qazi to kindly deliver his acceptance speech.
Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, one and all. At the very onset, Anjuman Islam feels very proud that we have received one of the finest awards in the living memory of this institution. I express my sense of gratitude on behalf of 110,000 students, 97 institutions, 3,000 teachers, and lakhs of Anjumanites. On their behalf, I express my sense of gratitude to Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, Shri Satyapal Malik Sahab. Also, I thank all the organizers, the people who matter at Aligarh Muslim University for confirming this awards. Anjuman Islam and Aligarh Muslim University are contemporaries. Technically, we are 1 year ahead of Aligarh Muslim University. Anjuman Islam was established way back in 1874 by a group of progressive Muslims who thought at that point of time that it is high time that we have an organized and scientific temper-related education for Muslims and the marginalized section. The founding fathers and many of Anjuman's presidents were in the jail during freedom struggle of India. To name two of them, late Moinuddin Haris and Mustafa Faqih Sahab were in the jails for many years. So Anjuman is a nationalistic institution and a role model for everyone. The one which you are talking today, in the present political discourse we talk about, कि सबका साथ, Anjuman is one which has taken everyone along for many years. It's almost 147 years that we are in existence. The historical background, Sir Syed Ahmad, he is an iconic. I have traveled across the length and breadth of the country, and whenever we attend a functions of new education institution, be it in a big town, be it in a city, be it in a village, the one who initiates that narrative of education upliftment is titled Sir Syed Ahmad of Mumbai, Sir Syed Ahmad of Pune, and so on and so forth. It's a great tribute to this legend. And Anjuman is inspired by his discourse. We just don't praise about him, but this is one institution which walks the talk. It started with just merely 3 teachers and 120 students way back in 1874. Today, we are 110,000 students and about 97 institutions and 3,000 teachers and lakhs of alumni spread out in India and elsewhere.
Thank you much, Dr. Z.I. Qazi, for this acceptance speech, for the very kind words about our institution and about our founder. We thank all the members of your team who have joined you from the Anjuman Islam today. The award carrying a cash prize of 1 lakh rupees, citation and a plaque of appreciation will be sent to your address in Mumbai.